this mathematical problem.
Oh, okay, I can do that.
4 over 3
4 over 3
raised to the power of x
raised to the power of x
plus 2
Oh, the power of x plus 2
is equal
to
9 over 16.
9 over 16.
Solve for x.
Definitely we are required to solve for x. I'll try to explain a number of things before we just start. You realize that on the left hand side we have 4 over 3, but on the right hand side we have 9 over 16. There seems to be a relation between 4 and 16, 3 and 9. How? If at all I square 4, I get 16, and if I square 3, I get 9. And therefore we will start by having 4 over 3 raised to the power x plus 2 is equivalent to, this can be written as 3 squared over 4 squared. It should be remembered that we have a mathematical equivalent that says that if I have a over b squared, this can be written as a squared over b squared. It's therefore true to say that if I also have a squared over b squared, I can be able to have this as a over b squared. We are going to apply that here, and therefore we will have 4 over 3 raised to the power x plus 2 is equivalent to 3 over 4 raised to the power 2. Then we have something referred to as the reciprocal property of indices. The reciprocal property of indices dictates that if I find the reciprocal of this number here, the fraction that I have here, then there's something that I must do to the index. What do I do to the index? I negate the index. What that means is that if the index is negative, it changes to positive, and if it is positive, it changes to negative. And therefore, I will now have 4 over 3 raised to the power x plus 2 is equivalent to 4 over 3 now raised to the power of negative 2. You all know, and you should remember, that if the bases are the same, when you have two indicial equations and the bases are the same, it means the powers definitely should also be the same. In that case, therefore, we say x plus 2 is equivalent to negative 2. You collect the like terms where we take this positive to the other side. Now we will have x being negative 2 minus 2, and the result that is required is negative 4. Are you assisted, Geoffrey?
Yes, indeed. You are the only sir in East, Central, and the West of Africa.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.